Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you how to solve the screen freezing or screen struck issue. I will show you how to solve this. In the keyboard you need to hold the shift control plus Windows key plus B button together to refresh the graphics driver like this. Okay, after this if the problem has been solved, okay, otherwise go to the next step. In the keyboard hold the control shift plus escape button to open the task manager. In the task manager now you can see all these applications or services. If there is an application which is consume more percentage of your CPU, need to find out. In my case the Windows Explorer and Bandicam software is consuming the 13.2%, but it is the normal 29% CPU. It is the normal. In case if it is more than 65, 70, 80%, if it is there, you need to select this and right click end task it. Means the application will be closed. After this go to the startup. In the startup window, whatever the applications is running, you need to disable it. Whatever the unwanted things is there, you can disable it. In my case Adobe Reader and application I don't want to be in the startup, need to disable it. Like this, whatever the applications, unwanted applications is there in the startup, you need to disable it. After that your problem will be solved. Okay, thank you.